During my recent travels to Sweden, I was very much looking forward to walking in the snow. The very next day, upon my arrival, we got a fresh layer of snow. But first, I needed to learn how to walk on ice. Covered by this beautiful snow was a thick layer of ice, and walking on ice will take some skill, especially after living in California for nearly 30 years. But little by little, I got hold of this, and soon I was on my way out of the town. Even before setting a foot in the forest, I was greeted with some of the most beautiful sounds. It felt as if forest was expecting me. As a child, I would spend countless hours in the forest with the kids from my neighborhood. During the spring season, we would sometimes spend a whole day going through forest, gathering violets and snails. These are some of my finest memories. And to this day, forest speaks loudly to my soul. Like a good host, this creek greeted us as soon as we entered the forest, so I decided to follow it upstream. The place was so alive with beautiful sounds. It might be the best if I let you hear it for yourself. I wanted this kind of quiet to stay with me for a while. I've been gone for quite a long time, and knowing how early it gets dark around here, I decided to head back home. In some way, I felt as if forest was trying to delay my return by presenting so many more beautiful things along the way. Look at this beautiful moss. It was so vibrantly green and it was so lush. To me, it looked as if nature has woven this beautiful, thick, warm blanket and spread it over ginormous tree roots to protect them from winter and cold. I have to keep myself from getting distracted and truly get back home. Days before landing in Sweden, I was envisioning and dreaming of days like this one. Today was simply perfect. A night curtain was slowly settling in. It started to snow again, so everybody settled in their homes. And I too could not think about anything else but the warm home and warm meal after hours of walking. Today, solitude felt like a great company. I'm finally here, just before dark, back to my friends John's and Bessen's house. I was excited to see Chef John in the kitchen preparing a special dinner, a pork roasted medallions in a creamy mushroom, white wine and garlic sauce. I want to remind you to enjoy little pleasures and good people in your life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.